hope I got it. I hit
Woohoo! Good job, D. Good job, bud.
He said he was going.
He's like, get out of my way. Hey, Chandler's good. There goes Morg.
I'm just snapping. I don't know if I'm getting him or not.
I'm recording.
Okay.
Woo!
Was that Kayla that went?
Kayla went, Morgan went, DJ went.
Okay.
Now it's Stacy's turn.
Stacy's thinking about it.
Come on, Stacy. Oh, here's Christina.
Oh, jeez.
Good job, sissy! Here goes Kate. Did Kaden already go?
No.
Okay.
Come on, Kaden.
What was that, Kate Ball? Sound like a girl. Little girl. That was funny as hell.
Come on, Ken.
I think he's leading the kids. Come on, Tanae.